Industrial motors are the workhorses of the factory floor. When one unexpectedly seizes up, production stops. That downtime costs thousands of dollars a minute. To prevent these failures, engineers build a digital twin. This diagram breaks down the concept, a virtual replica updated with live sensor data. Notice the arrows. The physical motor sends data to refine the model, which sends optimizations back to the real-world PLC. In this tutorial, we will build a software prototype for this cycle. We will pull live IoT data, run a physics-based simulation, and train a machine learning model to detect faults automatically. By bridging the physical and digital divide, we transition away from repairing broken parts. Instead, we predict and prevent the failure before it ever happens. This flowchart maps exactly how data travels from hardware to our digital model. The process starts at the top with sensors and PLCs on the physical hardware. That data flows through local control systems and is finally pushed into a centralized IoT aggregation platform. To bring that data into our digital twin, we use Python. By making a simple API call using the request.get function, we pull the latest JSON telemetry straight from the cloud into our script. With the data ingested, we construct our mathematical simulation. We use the dynamic rotational physics equation to define the precise relationship between torque, inertia, and friction. We translate that equation into a simple loop. As our script receives real-time current values, it calculates the torque and determines what the motor's physical speed, represented here as omega, should be under ideal conditions. This chart compares our two streams of information side by side. On the left, we plot the raw, fluctuating current data from the IoT sensor. On the right, we plot the smooth, calculated speed generated by our digital twin model. Because the simulation provides a perfect mathematical baseline, our system constantly compares it to the real-world input. If the live data deviates too far from the model, we instantly flag anomalies like overcurrent. Real-time physics monitoring spots immediate issues, but we can also use historical data to recognize complex failure patterns over time. Machine learning algorithms struggle if the data inputs are on wildly different scales. An 80-degree temperature reading will statistically overpower a 0.5 vibration reading, even if the vibration is the critical factor. We have to equalize them. We fix this in Python using the standard scalar function. This step normalizes our dataset, so every feature, whether it is amps, Celsius, or RPM, is evaluated proportionally by the algorithm. Now we can build a classification model. Classification looks at your numerical inputs and assigns them a distinct label, like normal or faulty. We use a random forest classifier for this. By feeding it our scaled historical metrics and their known outcomes, the model learns exactly what a healthy motor looks like and what combinations of heat and vibration indicate a problem. This confusion matrix shows us how well the model learned. By checking the predicted states against the actual test data, the highlighted diagonal axis proves our model correctly identifies normal operation, early warnings, and full faults. Adding this classification layer gives our digital twin a brain. It translates invisible data patterns into explicit, automated alerts before the hardware breaks down. Classification is excellent for assessing the current state of the motor. To predict where the motor is heading, we need a different approach. That approach is regression analysis. Instead of outputting a category label, a regression model forecasts specific, continuous numerical values. Here, we train a random forest regressor. We feed it our current load and vibration data so it can calculate the exact temperature the motor will reach over the next few minutes. By printing the mean absolute error, we verify how closely our model's predictions align with actual recorded temperatures. A low error rate confirms the forecast is reliable for real-world operations. When the model predicts an upcoming heat spike, operators can intervene. The control system automatically reduces the workload, allowing the hardware to cool down safely. Regression analysis moves the digital twin past detecting current faults. It actively manages operational stress to ensure the equipment stays within safe limits. We now have a complete hybrid system. We are running a real-time physics baseline and supporting it with predictive machine learning models. All of that back-end Python processing connects directly to a visual interface for the human operators. On this dashboard, operators see the immediate telemetry values like temperature and speed at the top, paired directly with the historical context charts underneath. Monitoring a single motor is a great proof of concept. A modern smart factory runs this exact process simultaneously across thousands of interconnected assets. Processing that massive volume of data requires serious computing power. We scale this architecture using high-performance computing and GPU acceleration to run parallel simulations and retrain AI models in seconds. By combining raw IoT data, precise physics simulations, and scalable machine learning, we build a robust, self-optimizing factory.